Hi, today I want to take a look at handles at YouTube. Now, handles at YouTube basically have superseded the use of custom URLs. So every YouTube channel right back to 2005 now has an handle in its URL. And this is all well and good. The only problem here is that the system has to auto-assign these handles where the users are not choosing them for themselves. And the problem has arisen that there are certain combinations of letters and numbers which are considered to be in violation of YouTube policy, and in this case specifically hate speech. Why is that a specific problem? Well, hate speech is probably the one policy at YouTube there is no coming back from. So if your YouTube channel has been terminated for hate speech in its handle, there is no return. You will be banned from YouTube for life, and that may be quite without you having done anything wrong at all. Now let's take this YouTube channel for example. This one was created today. It uses Griselda from Uncle, my first and last name, from my Google account. I didn't put in a custom name. I just wanted to create a YouTube channel with my Google account. And as you can see, the custom or the auto-assigned in this case, @handle is my first and last name followed by 4 numbers. Now, these 4 numbers are not a problem, but there are other combinations of 4 numbers which are considered hate speech and would have had this YouTube channel terminated for no fault on my part. So what do I recommend you do is that if you are creating YouTube channels going forward, make sure that you know what the @handle is that is being proposed for your YouTube channel. Make sure that there is no code in it. If you have pre-existing YouTube channels, which will have been auto-assigned handles as well, which we were advised of from October onwards, and then the auto-assignation was pretty much complete around about the 14th of November 2022. And a lot of us thought, oh well, that's good. You let YouTube auto assign. I don't care. I don't use my YouTube channel. I don't upload videos to it. I don't use it to comment with. I'm basically just using it because I need to have a YouTube channel in order to have a way of I don't know, viewing videos. You don't need to have a YouTube channel. You can view YouTube as a guest, but if you have a Google account and you're signed into your Google account and you go to YouTube, it is very easy to create a YouTube channel. So you might think that it's not important, but I would urge you, sign into your Google account or your Google accounts. In my case, that's about 50 Google accounts. Make sure that the associated YouTube channels, that the @handles are squeaky clean, and that way you avoid any problems going forward. Should you have an unexplained suspension for hate speech, do look up the YouTube help forum because that is where that issue is being dealt with. Thank you for listening and goodbye.